Yay! And I've got a water bump. Take 2 on trying to fit my wheels. It's really chilly, but I film what I can for you. Is it definitely lighter? Stick out a lot farther than I thought it would. So, the new wheels are on the car. We've got some pretty bad alignment issues, mainly because I've got camber bolts and there seems to be wishbones, so we're going to have to get them sorted. Bought this funny little camber thing, pretty much you stick it on the hub or the brake disc and it tells you your camber. You have to set it to a flat level first, so that should be pretty interesting. Stupid fucking box for such a small device, so probably wasting there. Bought new camber bolts because we did them before on the rear of the s2000 when I first got it, and it was all to shit. So me and my dad had to get a Kango on it and hammer the crappers out there. 2 new bolts here, kind of snail-eye things. They're going to be attached. Hopefully we're going to get the other ones out. If not, replacements. I've got polyurethane bushes on the way as well. Tyre pressure gauge, as we've got new tyres in the car, but I don't know if there's a lot of pressure, so I'm going to go down and check now. Fuck's it! Must have lifted it at work. So I'm going to go downstairs now and check the tyre pressures. I don't know why that's poking out. Never used this thing before. God. We're actually below what we want. 30, that should be 32, so... 30, so I'm going to guess they're all going to be 30. Oh, this thing's stupid. All I know is I need to put more air in. So what I have done to this car though is a custom sprayed black shroud on it. Carbon wrapped that just because it was black and I wanted to make it different. Got carbon fibre gear knob. It's very pretty. It was a birthday present thanks to a good friend. Oh yeah, got a LED light up there. 12 volt power supply for this car is here. So what I decided is when we're going around our Europe trip, we're going to need something to charge our phones, we're going to need something to charge all of our battery packs, everything. And that being the only one isn't good enough, so I wired this up. This is a spare, this was just a blank button, it's just this shape before. What I did was take the button out, wire in 2 USB slots, kind of nice, useful. The only thing slightly annoying is when your arm's there, it's either got to be there or it's got to be there, it can't be in its natural position. But I can deal with that. So yeah, they go blue when the ignition's on. Probably going to get very annoying during the night. I've also installed Fusion speakers behind this headrest. Found it. But make sure you always read the instructions. The valve will tire off the lips, twist the cap. Very good info. Right, that's it for today.